Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Good day everybody! Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So, kumusta po kayong lahat? Hope everybody is okay because today, I'm happy na naman po to share another pork recipe. And ito ay ang dinuguan with kamias. Yes guys, so instead of using vinegar, we will use fresh kamias. And ang gagamitin po natin na pork ay ang pork intestine or bituka ng baboy. So, hindi po tayo maglalagay ng mismong the meat one or yung laman. Okay? So, I know na most of us love this recipe, ang dinuguan. We have own way of cooking dinuguan. We have own version and lahat po masarap. And I know also na hindi din po lahat ay kumakain ng dinuguan. Pero alam nyo guys na masarap po ito. Swak sa panlasang Pinoy. Okay? So, very easy to prepare lang to and this is best for beginners. Okay? So, stay with me until the end of this video. Okay? Let's start the preparation guys. So, ito yung intestine guys ng baboy or bituka ng baboy. Pork intestine. So, pakukuluan natin siya para at least maging tender or malambot. And then, saka natin siya ipa-fry. So, make sure guys na bago nyo pakuluan is linising mabuti. Okay, hugasan. And, kaninang binili ko naman sa market, sinabi ni Manong na malinis na daw ito. Okay, but make sure na linisin nyo. Hugasan nyo mabuti. Okay? So, pakuluan natin until maging tender. Okay? After boiling guys, for more than 2 hours, malambot na siya. So, let's slice. So, ito na yung mga na-prepare nating ingredients. Let's start cooking. Fresh na fresh ang ating kamias, guys. Okay? Let's put some oil. Konti lang, guys. Kasi mamantika din yung bituka ng baboy. Okay? So, naubusan ako ng butter. That's why I use oil. Let's put garlic. And then, lagay na rin natin ang ating onion. Let's put our intestine, guys. Pork intestine. So, napakuluan natin mabuti ang ating intestine. So, very tender na siya, guys. Ayan. So, igisa lang natin siya konti para at least medyo matanggal yung lansa. At mas masarap kung medyo toasted ang ating pork intestine. Okay? Let's put patis. Patis ang pampalasa ko, guys. Yan. Okay. And then, hindi mawawala ang pinch of pepper. Okay na to sa akin. So, next to put ay ang ating dugo. Yan. So, kung gusto nyo ng dry guys, konti lang ilagay natin. Pero kung yung may sabaw-sabaw, you can add water. And then, of course, ang ating kamias. So, let it simmer guys for a few minutes. Tutuin lang natin ang ating kamyas and the pork. Okay. See you in a bit. Ayan, look guys. Paluto na ang ating dinuguan. And alam nyo, itong version na to is version ng Ilokano dinuguan. Dahil may kamyas siya. Okay? So, dati, naglalagay pa nga ng upo para mas matipid niya. And then, last to put ay ang ating siling haba. So, puputulin ko siya para lumabas ang kanyang anghang factor. Ayan. Okay? So, may sabaw-sabaw din siya, guys. So, it's up to you kung gusto nyo ng toyo o may sabaw. Okay? So, tinikman ko na din kanina and saktong-sakto na ang alat at ang asim. At hindi to nakakaumay kasi meron siyang fresh kamyas. Okay? Rich in vitamin C. Okay, so all done. Let's put into plate. Bango. Amoy dinuguan Ilocano. So, it's tasting time, guys. So, let's taste our dinuguan with kamyas. Okay? Tikman natin.
Ang sarap!
Alam nyo, guys, bago ko din niluto ang ating pork intestine, hinugasan ko muna para matanggal din yung taba-taba niya at the same time matanggal yung amoy niya. Diba? Minsan medyo may amoy ang ating pork. Okay? So, isa pa guys. So, okay guys, sana matry nyo din ang ating version ng dinuguan for today with kamyas instead of using vinegar. So, pwede rin yung gamitin ang, of course, the meat, the pork meat instead of yung bituka ng pork. Okay? So, happy cooking and gutom na kami. So, it's eating time. Okay? And by the way guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. Click the bell button to keep you notified for upcoming videos. And sana patuloy niyong suportahan ang mga YouTube videos ko. I love you all guys!